I'm helping my friend sell this super nice 68 Fastback, Resto Mod, Pro Street, whatever you want to call it. It's got a 572-inch Boss 429 John Kasse engine, set up for street use. Big shaft 4-speed top loader, 9-inch rear end, Willwood disc brakes. Well over $200,000 spent on this car. It's got under 20 miles driving time since it's all done. Check it out. I have a couple other videos with it running and stuff. If you need those, let me know. And I also have a lot of pictures. Price is in the description below. Call me if you have any questions.
What's up, everybody? Happy holidays. Back again. Another Mustang. This one here is a little different. I mean, it's a 68 Mustang Fastback, but the paint, the body is flawless. It's got the 68.5 R code scoop and the black hood stripe. This is a show car. It is built to show. I mean, it can go, but it's definitely a show car. It's probably the nicest car I've ever had. Wheeled wheels, Willwood disc brakes. I mean, the body lines are perfect. The paint is perfect. I'll say flawless. Perfect's a strong word, but I don't see any imperfections in this car. It's got the wheel wheels on the back. This car is fully built top to bottom. Well over $200,000 into this car. The bottom looks just as good, if not better than the top. The body is straight as an arrow. The only modifications to the body, they made the 68 scoop functional. But this car's got a little something special under the hood. It is a Kasse 572 Boss 9 based engine. Engine dyno to 840 horsepower. And it's beautiful. All custom Ring Brothers. Hinges, strut rod support. You got a Be Cool 1,000 horsepower radiator. Every bolt is like ARP. It's got Mickey Thompson headers. It is a 4-speed. Look at the dual electric fans. 4-speed top loader with a vertigate shifter. I'm trying to, the paint, the video may not do the paint justice. Factory style interior. Does have all rear factory panels. Fold down seat. It's got a 4-point cage. Real subtle. Like I said, the car has not been tubbed. It's factory wheel tubs. It's not a drag car. It is a street rod car. The car is insanely cool. Let's start it up. Very simple startup procedure. Car's in neutral. Ignition on, fuel pump on. Still key switch. Starts right up. That is a cold start. So shut that off. This car it was a no expense spared build. I mean, I've got pictures of the bottom. It'll blow you away how nice the bottom is. There was not a corner cut on this car. It's probably the baddest street rod Mustang out there. I mean, it's just immaculate. I mean, the detail in the car, huge box full of receipts. Like I said, 572 Boss, built by John Kasse, dynoed, have the dyno video of the motor. It made 840 on the dyno. Big input 4-speed top loader, so you still get the 4-speed shifter fun. 9-inch rear, I mean, strange third member, strange axles, stainless tank. Gosh, I mean, the list goes on. The bottom is red oxide, beautiful, custom exhaust. Well over $200,000 into this car. The car's got 3.2 shakedown miles on it since it's been built. Otherwise, the car's just been trailered to shows. It's extremely nice. I can't find a rock chip on it or anything. So if anybody's interested in the car, call. Just preface you now, it's not going to be cheap, and it's going to be 6 figures. But I'd love to share the bottom pictures with anyone. Let's open the trunk. Show you the detail. Continues through the trunk. I mean, it's immaculate. Clean. Look how clean it's got running dual Optima batteries. It's got an in-tank electric pump, regulator here, and a regulator on the motor. I mean, the detail work, every bolt in the gas tank, ARP. I mean, it's throughout the whole car. So anybody that's interested, call. Love for you to come see the car in person. It actually looks better in person. The paint on this red is killer. It's super slick. It's hard to get to show in the videos. But yeah, 1968 Mustang Fastback, 572 Boss, 4-speed, the best of everything, not a single corner cut. Call.
Yes.